Hello everybody and welcome guys to another video, and I will say to you the joystick, yes, from Thrustmaster is working in PTFS. Of course, yes, it's working. Look at this video. If you can see here, this is the video on it right now. If you can see, he using right now the joystick and ATC radio and the papers of the airport charts. Now I will make a trip report. Yes. So for the trip report. Yes. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye.